Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Mohammad Aryan Ali and today I will teach you about CSS layout, horizontal and vertical align, that how to align any element horizontally and vertically. So here are some properties like margin, auto and border padding. These we have learned already, and this is text alignment center, and all these things is called like a align. So I will teach you practically. So I will open my new folder, course folder I will open, and it is our course 15, course 15. I will open it with the code. I will create new file, index.html, and style.css. I will write the full syntax of HTML by using Shift+1, and it's now full syntax of HTML. Now I will write here any code like h1. In h1 I will write hello, and I will link the CSS file, and now I will target h1 here, and I will give it alignment like margin auto. Like I will give margin first, and I will write auto, and I will open it with live server. So now it is open. It is a block level element, and margin auto will work in a big element. Like I will show you border. I will give it a border solid 1 pixel and red. Now I will give it width like 100 pixel. So now look, it's came in the center because it is now full element. And if I don't give it border, and I will give it margin left, and I will give it margin right auto. So nothing is happening because I told you that that it should be with the border, so it will work. So what we have to do for any h1 and like this, you will write margin left or right. Like I written left, and I will give it in pixel values like 100 pixel. So look, it's moving from left. So in pixel we have to give values to the text. Like I will give here 350 pixel. 350 pixel I will give, so it will come till here like this. 350 pixel it is moved from here. It is like alignment. And if you will give it a border solid 1 pixel red, and width 100 pixel, and I will give it auto. Margin left is auto, and I will give margin right to auto. So look, I given auto, meaning now it is came to full 100%. It have moved from left. If I give auto left auto, now if I will give to right auto, so it will come fix at the center. As you can see, now it's came. And if I want this text center inside the border, so I have teach you that we will write text align center. So look at this, now text is centered inside the element. First this text was not centered, this element was centered, this border was centered, and inside the border this text was, so that moved with it. Now when I text aligned its center, so now it came to the center of the page. If I will comment it, so it is moving some pixel left, meaning it's like some pixel away from the center. If I will write text line center, now it is perfect in the center. Or if you want to align the text, and if I will not write anything like here, so text will get center like this. This is text line center is used for this, and margin auto is used for element, big element is, as you can see now. So other is just now teach you text align center. Here is now how to center an image. First we will go and select an image, this one. I will copy image link. Okay, now I will add here. I will comment this h1. I will write here img. I will write, I will press enter, and in src I will write the URL of that picture. I have copied, so I will paste now here, and I will press alt z to bring it this page. Now the picture would be in our document, like you can see it's here in at our document. Now it's came. Now how to it center, because in image text align center will not work because it is not any text. I will show you. I will target image, I will write here text align center, so it will not work because it is an image, not any text. So how to do it? For this centering the image, we have to write margin auto. So this is the first step, and second step I will show you. I didn't have to teach you this. So display block we have to do, so it will come at the center. I will show you. Display block, as you can see it came at the center. So here as you can see, like they have written here margin left auto and margin right auto, but I have just written here margin auto, meaning margin auto from left and right and top and bottom, from all it should be auto. So just you will write margin, so it will carry all, meaning top, bottom and all these things. If I will write margin like 1 px, this first value is of like top and bottom value, and second value is of left right. But if you want to write 4 values, the first value would be of top, second of left, and third would be of bottom, and fourth, meaning last, would be of right. Like this I have written. So when I will go, so the image is moved from left, it is moved 20 pixel, and from top it is moved 1 pixel, and from bottom it is moved 40 pixel, and from right it is moved 12 pixel. If I will write in the left 900, so look, image is moving, it's like moving. If I will write here 900, wait, I by mistake written 1000. Okay, now so as you can see it's not working because we have to give big element auto property. Like here I will write auto, it will work. So first I given, so I will close it. As you can see now it's auto, like we use margin auto for this purpose, and we have to write display block to center an image. Now left and right using position. So I have taught you position here, as you can see CSS position in previous videos. If you want to learn, so you go and check out that video in my channel, it is. Now next topic is CSS combinators. CSS combinators meaning to combine elements, meaning in the parent one other child is, if you want to like select that, so we can. I will show you. I will cut these both and this style too. Okay, now here I will write a div, and div I will give a class. I will give first class. This div like class is first, and I will create a second div and I will name it class would be second. Okay, now I have created 2 divs. In first one div I will write h1, and h1 I will write hello, and in second one too I will write h1 and I will write here website, just like this. And now when I will go and I will target h1 and I will give it color blue. So look, two h1s are came and both color is like blue, but we don't want like this. We want from this one. If there are multiple h1, so what we have to do, like here is h1, its class is first, and I will write here first the class name, that parent name, like dot first I will write. And there are too many combinators, like space is one combinator. I will show you. Space is a combinator. This is a combinator child selector. This is like sibling selector, meaning both should select, like parent and the child both should select. And this is general sibling selector. This is the same like space, as you can think. Now it's first, like now it's first, and in first I want to h1 I will write. So look, first one div h1 is like targeted. If I will not write here first, so both h1 are selected. If I will write here, so only first one h1 will be targeted. Now it was space. Now I will write here this combinator with some space. This combinator I will write, and now I will go. So nothing is happened because it's first should be and h1 both should be, but first is a div, that's it's not working. So other is like plus, meaning both, but I told you div is not any, like I will just show you. Div is not for writing any text. Div is a parent is used to make any parent, and in div we have to make our different boxes and contents. So that's why this plus combinator is not working, and other combinator is this one, like this child selector combinator. I will show you. This will do working because this is parent, and this meaning that the child of this parent is this, like this we can use. So that's how it's working. And now our other topic is pseudo class. So this pseudo class we will learn in next video. So thank you guys in this video. This match we will meet in next video. So till then, Allah Hafiz.